Hi everyone, Bianca from Integrity Real Estate here to present to you 173 Princess Highway in South Nowra. Position your business amongst well-established businesses and the big green building next to us. Offering units 4, 5 and 6, we have the flexibility of a short-term lease currently in place, so you can move your own business into owner-occupier. Each unit offers an open floor plan, toilet and shower amenities and plenty of parking. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to call me at our office 4421 0633.